Hi, this is Melanie from Hooked to the Left, and today we're going to take a look at a little mini haul that I got from Joann. So let's go ahead and get started. Hi everybody, thanks so much for joining me today. If you like all things yarn and crochet, then go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell so that you're reminded each time I come out with a brand new video. So I ordered from Joann's, and so this is after I saw that video where Julie was showing off her rainbow yarn. Yeah, I'm gonna link it up above, but that's Julie from the Whippy Chick Crochet, and I was so jealous because oh my gosh, most beautiful yarn ever. Okay, maybe not ever, because I keep on finding the most beautiful yarn ever. And then, like, I'll see this yarn and I think it's the most beautiful yarn ever. And then I turn around and look around at another yarn and it's the most beautiful yarn ever. And it's all just the most beautiful yarn ever, right? Do you have that problem? Anyway, you guys just want to see the yarn, I bet, right? Okay, so I got actually two different colorways in the same yarn, but I wanted to show you the one that made me so jealous, and I had to go and buy my own because, yeah, because I'm petty like that, right? Anyway, this is the yarn. Holy smokes! Holy smokes! Yeah, that yarn. Look at that yarn. Oh, what? Wow! Look at it. Okay, let me bring up another skein because I got more than one. What? Can you see the halo on that yarn? Can you see it? It is probably not going to frog well when I test this and do a shorts review, but can you see that halo? What? All right, let me tell you about this yarn. Wow, I love it. Alright, so let me bring it up here and get it in focus for you guys. So this is Big Twist Classic, which this is a Joann specific brand yarn. And in this ball is 420 yards, which is a pretty good sized ball of yarn, 8 ounces, 384 meters, or 227 grams. Now they do recommend with this particular yarn 5 balls for a blanket, which is probably a throw size, 3 balls for a sweater, 1 ball for a hat, or 1 ball for a scarf. Alright, now let's find a little bit more about the size. So this is a bulky weight yarn, which yes, I agree with. They recommend 5.5 millimeter knitting needles or 6 millimeter or US size J crochet hook. It is, where is the makeup? I don't see where it's telling me what is in this. Oh, there it is. It's all the way around. Okay, so that had me confused because it's all the way around right there. It's 100% acrylic. Now, back up here where it talks about it being machine washable, low iron, do not bleach, do not tumble dry, dry clean, and dry flat. So you can machine wash it but dry flat. Or just definitely do not tumble dry it in low iron. It's acrylic. That's great. Right, and then the color way for this particular one is called Fun Bright, and this is made in Turkey and distributed by Joann stores. That is everything that you need to know about this amazing, beautifully colored yarn that I just want to give a great big hug. Whoa. Great big hug. Wow, this is such a pretty yarn. So pretty, so fuzzy. I saw where Julie made hers into a bear, and I'm kind of loving that idea. I'm thinking I might do the same thing. Kind of loving it. I have enough here, I think, to make a bear, plus I can make a hat because I got 4 skeins of this. 4 skeins, people. 4 skeins. Alright, and also I will tell you 2 skeins is enough to make a small baby blanket. I don't know that I would make a baby blanket out of this because of this fuzzy stuff here. It's not crazy soft, and it also lay flat to dry and stuff. You want to be able to toss a baby blanket into the washer and just throw it in the dryer and not have to worry about it. So yeah, I think a bear would work really, really well in this. I think Julie had the right idea as far as that goes. And I got one other colorway, which I will take this out of the bag, even though it hurts me to do so. I'll take it out of the bag so you can see it close up and personal. Now, all the other information is the same. You just, it's just a different colorway. So that is the colorway. Again, I think you could probably see the halo a little bit better on this one, especially in the middle there. But yeah, so I got a pastels one, which I think would make a beautiful bear, right? Also make a beautiful bear. But everything's all the same. This particular colorway is called pastels, right? Because they are so creative with those colorway names. Pastels, that's what this is called. Look at that. That is such a gorgeous colorway. That's it. That's all that I got from Joann's. They did have a little bit of a sale going on, so I did take advantage of the sale to get these, because these are normally $10 skeins of yarn. And I think I was able to get them for like $4 and change, like $4.99 maybe. So yeah, I picked them up and got a few. But yes, I really, you know, Julie, I really think I'm gonna have to make a bear out of this. This is such squishy yarn. It is so squishy. I love this yarn. Yes. No, I shouldn't have said I love this yarn. That's a Hobby Lobby thing, not a Joann's thing. Thank you so much for joining me here today. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then go ahead and hit the like button. While you're down there, if you haven't yet, tap that subscribe and then hit the bell so that you're reminded each time I come out with a brand new video. In the meantime, you guys have an amazing day. Bye-bye.